How to get Halloween Instagram notes. Welcome to a new tutorial on our channel. If you want to add Halloween flair to your Instagram notes, here's how to access the new Halloween options. Be quick, as this feature won't be available for long or in all regions. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, swipe left to access your chats. Here, you'll see your note. Click on your profile icon to enter your desired text. If this window pops up, close it. To add a Halloween vibe to your note, type in words like Halloween, ghost, pumpkin, or witch in the note bubble. Finally, share the note by tapping share. And that's it. You've now added some Halloween spirit to your Instagram notes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like. Don't forget to follow the channel for more tips and tricks.